Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Edith. In today's video I am going to share with you how you are going to create a YouTube thumbnail with your phone for free. To create a YouTube thumbnail with your phone, so the first app you are going to need is Canva. So if you don't have Canva, go over to Google Play Store or App Store to download the Canva app. Just log in with your email address. You are done, you are good to go. So what you are going to I already have the app already, so I'm going to just click on it and walk you through step by step on how you are going to make a YouTube thumbnail with your phone. If you are a new YouTuber and you don't know how to make a YouTube with your phone, then this video is for you. And also, if you don't want to create YouTube with yourself, you don't want to create the YouTube thumbnail by yourself, you can go to Fiverr and hire a freelancer that can create the YouTube thumbnail for you. So if you want to hire somebody on Fiverr, my Fiverr link is in the description down below. If you hire somebody, I am going to get a commission from it. So the Fiverr link is in the description. Click on it to go and hire somebody to create your YouTube thumbnail. So for those of us that want to do it by ourselves for free, I am going to show you step by step on how you are going to do it. So we are going to go to Canva. This is Canva. I'm going to open it up. This is the interface. Once you click on the Canva app, you are going to see something like this. So once this pops up, what you are going to do next is to come to this search bar and search for YouTube thumbnail. Once you search for YouTube thumbnail, you are going to see different YouTube thumbnail designs. Once you have clicked on it, as you can see, you are seeing a blank one and also other YouTube thumbnail designs already there. So what we are going to do is we are going to just click on the blank one and walk you through step by step on how you are going to create it. So whatever niche you are going to just any niche you are, but in this video, for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to click on the blank one and show you how to just make a simple design with your phone. So I'm going to click on the blank one. It is loading up. So it has finished loading. You now click on the body of it like this. Once you click on that blank one, you are going to first go to colors. See where it is. Okay, as you can see now, colors. We are going to click on it and go to colors to choose which color we want for our design. I'm going to click here on the colors. Then I'm going to choose any color I want. Let's say I'm going with red, or let's say I'm going with yellow. Let's go with yellow because yellow attracts people. So anytime you are making a thumbnail, try and make sure you use yellow, especially as a beginner, because yellow attracts people. So we have clicked on it. Then I'm just going to click on the body of it, and what we are going to do next is to upload a video or upload a picture for ourselves. So I'm going to go to my photos. No, I'm going to go to my gallery. Sorry, if you want to use a picture of yourself, you are going to go to your gallery and look for a picture. So as you can see, my picture is there. One of my pictures are there. This one, I'm going to be using this one for this tutorial. But as you can see, this background is already removed. So if you want to remove any background of your pictures, you go to remove.background.com and upload your video there, upload your picture there. Boom, you have removed the picture background. So any background you are, just go to removebackground.com. then on Google, just type in remove background. It will going to pop up. Then you upload your picture there, and 5 seconds you have removed the background. So that was what I did. So if you want to remove your background, then go there and do that. After you are done, I'm going to click on it. As you can see, the picture is there now. So I'm going to move it around to place it where I want it to be. I'm going to drag this one to make it bigger slightly. So let's say this video is for, I am making a thumbnail for makeup. So I am going to write a text now. So beginners makeup tutorial, makeup for beginners. If it's something like makeup, so any niche you are, if you are talking about affiliate marketing, you write affiliate marketing, and let the words be clear and precise. Don't use plenty words on your thumbnails. So I'm just going to write makeup for beginners on the text, and boom, your this thing is ready. So for you to write a text message, for you to write a text or a word there, you are going to click on this one again, this plus button here. As you have clicked on it, you are going to go to, once you click on it, you scroll down and you will see text on the, you are going to see text on the bottom. So you click on it, text. I've clicked on text, and you are going to see add a heading. So I'm going to click on it, add heading, and this, something like this will show up. So what we are going to do now is to edit it. See edit sign here, you are going to see something like edit here. So you are going to click on the edit and start typing your words. So let's say makeup for beginners. I've written it, so I'm going to drag it down to this side. I'm dragging it up to make it bolder, the text to be bolder, kind of. So you are going to just play around with it to make sure you are okay with it. So because this text is black, I'm going to change the text to either white or anything else. So I've changed the color to white because I don't want the text to be black. I've changed the color to white to attract people. So boom, this is simple thumbnail makeup tutorial for beginners, step by step. Okay, let me put step by step makeup tutorial for beginner because it's too basic. So guys, this is our thumbnail, our example thumbnail. So what we are going to do now is we are done designing the thumbnail. So if you want to kind of make it in two places, two elements, we are just going to click on duplicate here. We want to make this face to be two here. You duplicate it, then drag it to wherever you want it to be. Boom, something like this. We have gotten a thumbnail. So this is just an example thumbnail I'm showing you. You can use your initiative and make it finer and better. I'm just showing you how you are going to go about it. So now that we are done making the thumbnail, I'm going to go over to this button and click on it. This is the download button. I've clicked on it. They say save as image. So you now click on it, save here, creating your design. So that is how you create your YouTube thumbnail. So I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think about it on the comment section down below, and if there's anything you don't understand, let me know, and I am going to just let me know. I'll explain to you in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.